welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cloth and paper unboxing video. Yes, I am filming another one. My last one was a subscription box unboxing from them. So I actually purchased a planner from them this time and I'm super excited to show you guys. I was so happy to purchase this. I got it on their Black Friday deal. But before we get started into this video, I did want to say, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you do end up liking it, and hit that bell notification if you want to be notified every time I upload. So if you want to see the unboxing of my cloth and paper planner, then just keep on watching. Here's the beloved box. I'm so excited. Oh, the owner actually wrote a personal note. That's so cute. She said, "Thank you so much, Ashley." And she's like, packed carefully by Adriana. That is so cute that they took the time out of their day to do this. Like, I love that. I'm gonna keep this. I'm so excited. I got one of the Simplicity cards. Oh my god, I've been seeing this every time. I've been seeing this every time someone does an unboxing, but I didn't get one in my subscription box, so yay. It says Simplicity. Noun, the quality or condition of being easy to understand or do. Oh my god, this is so freaking cute, guys. Then I got this. It's just a thank you. Oh, I should have used my 10% off, but it was on Black Friday, so I'm not even sure if I was able to use this. But it comes with a 10% on the back, and it says thank you, so, oh, exciting. Then there's this card. It says, "There is luxury in simplicity." Guys, I am so satisfied. Like, I didn't expect to get all this extra stuff. Like, I thought I was just gonna get my planner and that was it. But it's so awesome that they take the time to do this. It says word of the year, and then I guess you could write the word of the year for you. Then I have my receipt right here. Like, black tissue paper. Oh my god, guys. I wish I didn't have to. Okay, I'm just gonna slide it out of there. More tissue paper. So I got these card slots. I got this so I could put it in my personal planner. Eventually I do want to purchase a cloth and paper one. But yeah, so I got this to put into my personal one. And these were, I think, like $3 or something like that. I can't remember. But I'll link everything that I got in the description box. And then finally, my most favorite item that I've been looking forward to. Oh my god. Alright. This is why hello there. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy about this right now. So exciting. I love it already. So cute. So this is what it looks like. It says 2019 right there. And then it has a volume 2019, so you could always store it, and it's on the spine of it. I think that's super cute. Now let's jump into the actual planner. It looks like it's made from a thick cardstock. And when you open it, it has a folder right here. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I really don't like how flimsy it is. Like, it has like no structure to it. It's really flimsy. I'm not sure if this will last. I don't know, I'm gonna have to give it a month to see how I really feel about it, but as far as it goes right now, I don't like how flimsy it is. Like, it has no like structure and stuff, and I like structured. And I don't want to purchase, you could purchase a cover for it, but that's like $100, and I don't really think it's worth spending like $150 total for the cover and for the planner itself. So when you open it, it says 2019. I really like how simple this looks and elegant. Looks like the spiral is actually like a bronze color. I like that a lot too. And it says this belongs to, and then it has a year at a glance from January 1st for 2019 all the way to December 2019. I really like this. I think it would be super cute in a classy bag like my Louis Vuitton. So I'm definitely going to be taking this to go with me. It does have a very classy look to it. I like this. It has all the holidays lined up. I think that is great. Instead of having to flip through every month to see which holidays are coming up, I love this. Like, it automatically just tells you what holidays are going to be coming up. That's super cool. And then it looks like for the beginning of the month, it gives you like a layout first page for it, and it just has the birthdays, upcoming events, important dates, and then it says October, whatever the month of, and it says do more, do less. I think that's so great because you can set personal goals for yourself, and that's what I like doing, is setting my goals for the month and, you know, trying to work towards those goals. So I feel like having them written down in a planner that you're going to look at every day will help you so much. I absolutely love this. Like, I love the layout of the planner. Let's just zoom in on that a bit. I love the layout of it, how it has lined out so you don't have to get stencils out, but I'm still going to use my stencils anyways. but I love how it's all pre-lined already. I feel like that'll make everything look so much more neater. Here in the corner you have the month at a glance right here in the corner, which I think is super great because then you could like circle special dates for that month and kind of have it there in the corner as a reminder. The priorities list from numbered 1 to 3, I think that's great as well too. So far, I'm really loving this planner. Let's just see if it has anything else in it. Oh, okay. So it looks like at the end of the month, it kind of has like a note section. Or you could use it for like basically anything, for notes or whatever you want to use it for, goal list or whatever you would like. Yeah, I like that. I love this planner. I love the layout of it. I think it's super cute and classy and simple looking, and that's what I was looking for in a planner. Is this something simple but yet classy at the same time? So I would recommend this planner for somebody who wants something, like I said before, classy yet simple and very organized, pretty. I like this. I like it's very simple and, you know, get straight to the point. Yeah, that is the end of the planner. I can't wait to use this, guys. I'm so excited. It's gonna be awesome. I've been waiting for this thing for so long.